Most people believe this one lie. When a device is switched off, it is not using power. What if I tell you that is wrong? What if I tell you your money is still being drained silently even when your device looks off? Today, I built a simple energy cost tester to expose standby power. This is the hidden power your appliances consume when they are switched off but still plugged in. Let me quickly show you the components I used. ESP32 as my microcontroller, INA219 DC current and voltage sensor, 0.96 OLED 128 by 64 screen, jumper wires, a 12-volt adapter as my power source, a full-size breadboard, a 12-volt power bank as my load, and lastly a 5-volt Type-C cable for my ESP32. Here are the complete connection steps and how the setup looks on the breadboard. The INA219 is connected in series between the power source and the load so it can measure current and voltage accurately. The ESP32 reads the data from the INA219 and sends it to the OLED screen. And here is the Arduino code running on the ESP32. This code measures voltage, current, power, energy, and also calculates the energy cost in Naira over time. Now let us test it. First, I turn on the power source, which is the 12-volt adapter. I plug in the load and turn the load switch on. After about 10 minutes, the energy cost increases from 0.000 to 0.023 Naira. This increase is fast because the load is active. Current is flowing. Power consumption is high. Energy usage increases quickly. I keep the load plugged in, but I turn the load switch off. Most people believe power usage should stop here. After about 17 minutes, the cost increases again from 0.023 Naira to 0.024 Naira. Nothing was turned on, but money was still leaving. This proves something important. Even when a load or appliance is switched off but still plugged in, there is slow power usage. This is called standby power. Standby power is very small, so you do not notice it in minutes. But it runs all day and all night. Over days, weeks, and months it adds up. This is why phone chargers, adapters, TVs, and power banks can increase your energy bill even when not in use. The power supply circuits inside them are still active. They still draw small current. The experiment is true because energy meters calculate cost based on time and power. Even small power used continuously will increase energy cost. Slow does not mean zero. That is the hidden truth about electronics. If you enjoy this video and want more hidden truth about electronic life, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.